reporting here in Wilmington, North Carolina. Hurricane Irene is a real bitch. Welcome to beautiful, sunny downtown Wilmington. My girlfriend is pissed off. Irene's on top of us, and she says she's the only one that's allowed. With all this wind blowing, you'd think Monica Lewinsky was in town. The trees and houses are shaking. Like a teenage girl at Roman Polanski's house. Welcome to beautiful, sunny downtown Moscow. We're reporting here in Wilmington, North Carolina. And the best way to deal with a hurricane is smoke a cigarette, drink a beer, because it's probably going to be your last one. Now, fuck you. This is a dumbass bird. I'm in a hurricane. Not too smart. People are driving like crazy to get the hell out of town. Cars are just waiting in line to get gasoline.